If you're an artist that doesn't have a designated studio space, but you want one that is functional and creative, but is not going to break the bank, you came in the right place because this video is made special for you. I'm going to show you how to set up a small, removable art studio right here on your kitchen table. And the best part, first, it's super affordable, second, it's easy to take down, and third, it doesn't require a lot of space. First up, we need a sturdy drawing surface. I use this awesome drawing table from Kangaroo, which is perfect for fitting paper sheets up to 12 with 16 inches. But what is this drawing table? A drawing table or workstation is a compact, portable setup that transforms any flat surface into a functional art studio. It typically includes an adjustable drawing board and space for your paper and tools. It allows you to create on your kitchen table, desk, or anywhere you want, then fold it away when you're done. It's the ideal solution for keeping your creative space organized without taking up too much room. You can pick one of these up online or at your local art store for around $20 to $40, and it's a total game changer for posture and comfort. I snagged mine for just $17. An amazing deal. But keep in mind that the larger the drawing table, the higher the price. I love how it folds flat when I'm done, so I can easily store it in a drawer or closet, keeping the kitchen table clutter-free when it's time for dinner. After finding out what a drawing table is, let's talk about one of the most important things you can have in your workspace: lighting. Whether you're sketching, painting, or adding those tiny finishing touches, a good light source is absolutely key, especially when working on fine details that require more focus. I'm using this Daylight Duo desk lamp LED, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer for my workspace. It clips right onto my drawing board or table with ease, super simple to attach, adjust, and remove whenever needed. Plus, it stays securely in place, giving me flexibility without any hassle. This lamp cost me $55, but you can definitely find cheaper options as well. See how easy it is to remove it, no fuss, no tools required, and you can take it off in seconds without any trouble. It's super convenient, especially if you need to move it around or switch up your workspace quickly. What's awesome about this lamp is the super flexible arm. You can bend, twist, and stretch it however you want to get the perfect angle. One of my favorite features is how adjustable the light itself is. You can change the brightness depending on your project. It's got a soft glow when you need something subtle, or crank it up to full brightness when you're working on those fine lines. And because it's an LED, it gives you that perfect, natural daylight glow that really brings out the true colors in your work. It's also incredibly lightweight and portable, which is a huge plus for me, especially when I want to rearrange my workspace or take it to different locations. Once I'm done, I can just fold it down and tuck it away in a drawer where it will stay safe and ready until the next time I will need it. So, if you're looking for a light that's both powerful and portable, the Daylight Duo Desk Lamp LED is exactly what you need to keep your art illuminated and your workspace flexible. Now, it is time to talk about organizing your tools. This little table storage unit is very handy and spacious. This is actually a jewelry organizer, but it works great for my tools because it's compact and has enough space for all my pencils. This is perfect for keeping everything organized without taking up much room, allowing me to maximize my workspace and keep all my essential tools within easy reach. And when I'm done with my art session, it's light enough to just lift and tuck into a nearby cabinet or even leave on a shelf. Everything stays in one place, so I don't waste time hunting for supplies when I'm ready to create. Lastly, I like to use these little and inexpensive trays from IKEA for the supplies I'm actively using during my drawing session that I only paid around $1.50 for each. It's such a simple thing, but it makes a big difference. I keep my pencils, erasers, and blending stumps here while I work, so I don't have to keep reaching across the table. It's also super easy to clean up, just lift the tray and put it away when you're done. With this simple cleanup process, I can maintain an organized and clutter-free area, allowing me to dive back into my work whenever inspiration strikes without worrying about the mess. And the best part of this setup, it's totally removable. When you're done, just fold up the drawing board, clip off the lamp, remove your shelf unit and trays, and put them somewhere safe and not in the way. Everything is lightweight and easy to tuck away, so you can go from artist to chef in a matter of minutes. Whether you're finishing up a detailed drawing or painting and suddenly feel inspired to whip up a delicious meal, it's a breeze to clear your space and transition seamlessly. So there you have it. A functional, affordable, and easy to store art studio setup right on your kitchen table. This setup cost me around $100-ish in total, and it's perfect for anyone working in a small space. Having a dedicated, organized area to work in can really make a difference in your creative process. If you want to see more of my tutorials, I would love for you to join my subscribers community. And if you want to be the first one to be noticed when I post a new video, just click on that bell button and that's all fixed. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorials as well.